Hi friends! Throughout the country, the news of coal shortage is coming in. Because of the coal shortage, we may have face an electricity crisis. The Andhra Pradesh government has advised the people to avoid using ACs after 6 pm in order to save electricity. From states like Rajasthan and Punjab, scheduled power cuts are being planned as per news reports. And in some parts of Bihar and Jharkhand, there are already power cuts of 6 to 5 hours. What is the exact reason behind this coal shortage? And what can be the solutions? Come, let's try to understand in today's video.
दिल्ली के ऊर्जा मंत्री सत्येंद्र जैन ने कहा कि कोयले की सप्लाई नहीं हुई तो दिल्ली में 2 दिन बाद ब्लैकआउट हो जाएगा।
Delhi joins a long queue of states including Tamil Nadu and Odisha that have raised concerns over long power cuts due to the shortage of coal.
European countries are certainly not alone in their struggles with energy supply. India is facing a crunch in coal.
Friends, interestingly, this isn't happening only in India. We are getting similar news from all over the world. A few days ago in Lebanon, there was a total blackout due to fuel shortage. Talking about Europe, about 1 month ago, Europe was also going through an energy crisis. This summer was quite cold for many European countries. The weather conditions were unseasonably cold in Europe. Because of this, the demand of gas increased. And the price of natural gas also increased due to it. Several countries like the UK were forced to switch their old power plants because they weren't able to meet the energy demand in their country. So the demand for coal increased too. And so did coal's price. In fact, a 13-year record high price of coal was achieved. On the other side of earth, over Chinese social media, a piece of news was circulating about 15 days ago about how some people were stuck in a lift because of a power cut. Some people weren't getting a proper water supply. In many schools and homes, people had to face power cuts. And many factories had to shut down. Why was there a power shortage in China? There are two main reasons for it. First, the Chinese government stopped coal imports from Australia because Australia had demanded an investigation into China about how the novel coronavirus came from their country. Since the Chinese government didn't like this, they said that they would stop this deal with Australia and they wouldn't buy coal from Australia anymore. And thus, there was a coal shortage in China. The second reason is that the Chinese government is aggressively pushing for climate reforms. The Chinese government is trying to reduce their dependence on coal and a switch to renewable energy as soon as possible. That's why the factories were pressured to meet their climate goals. But the coal shortage was so severe that the government were forced to increase the production in coal mines 3 to 4 days ago. Again, the principle of basic economics states, if the supply of the product is low and its demand is high, its price would go up. Coming to India, it is important to mention here that China and India are the largest and second largest producers of coal. But at the same time, they are the largest and second largest consumer. Not only this, they are the largest and second largest importers of coal as well. Because their coal production is insufficient to meet their needs. Their consumption is so high that despite being the largest producers, they need to import coal. And their are the largest importer at that. Statistically speaking, 73% of coal consumed in India in 2019 to 2020 was from India, the Indian coal, and less than 27% of coal was imported. What are the reasons of coal shortage in India? First, because of the last year's lockdown, the Indian economy was at a standstill and the power demanded was reduced due to it. But in 2021, the lockdown was withdrawn and the economy is reviving again and the power demand has increased again. The demand for electricity has increased in 2021. According to the data, the first 8 months of 2021, the power demand had increased by 30.2%. In our country, even today, about 70% of the electricity is generated by coal. With the increase of demand for electricity, the demand of coal would also rise. The second reason, parallel to the increase in demand, the supply has decreased. The international prices are increasing of coal. As I told you, because of what's happening in Europe and China, and because the international prices of coal are increasing, India has reduced its imports. Like in August to September, the imports of India were 30% lower than the average of preceding 7 months. If we compare August 2021 to August 2020, then India has imported 42% lesser coal. The third reason, since the import of the country was falling, the production in the country should have been increased to compensate for it. But it wasn't so. Instead, its reverse happened. The coal being produced within the country, its production had also decreased. Because the monsoon season was particularly bad this year, and because of it, flooding and waterlogging was seen in many coal mines. Not only coal production of the country suffered due to it, but the transportation of the coal suffered as well. There's also fourth reason. The Ministry of Power had issued a statement that some states didn't have sufficient coal stocks with them before the onset of the monsoon. There were some issues in some states because of the dues of coal companies. In every coal company power plant, some coal is left as stock. The amount of stock depends on how far the power plant is from the coal mine. If the power plant is quite far from the coal mine, then it will take longer for transportation. So, a larger stock should be maintained. If the coal mine is nearby, then there is no need to maintain a large stock. This stock can be for 15 to 30 days, for example. Because of this, many power plants across the country are operating at their 50% capacity. What are the consequences of it? There is a rising concern of a total blackout in several states. The electricity may be completely cut off. The Maharashtra government has said that 13 power plants have already been shut down because of the coal shortage, and advised the consumer to use electricity carefully, to think before they use. Punjab and Rajasthan have officially announced every day there would be some power cuts for some hours to conserve electricity. These states decided that it is better to schedule the power cuts as compared to letting people use electricity as they please now. And later, when there would be a power cut, no one would know how long it might last. In Punjab, 5 thermal units had to be shut down across 3 power plants. In Kerala, 4 power plants have shut down. And perhaps the situation is worst in Bihar and Jharkhand. In Bihar, people are reporting power cuts 7 to 8 hours since the last few days. Bihar's Chief Minister Nitish Kumar had also admitted that his state is going through a power crisis. In the next few days, you may get a power cuts in Delhi, Gujarat, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh too. Even after all of this, our central government says all is well. Union Power Minister R.K. Singh says on Sunday that an unnecessary panic is created for a coal shortage, and he says that it is a miscommunication between 2 companies, between GAIL and Tata, and that we have sufficient power available. But at least the Union Coal Minister Prahlad Joshi is thankful, not in denial. He acknowledged that the country is facing a coal shortage.